Hi guys, this is Monica. Well, a few days back I went to the ATM and to my bad luck my ATM card had expired and I was like, damn it, I'll have to get a new one which will definitely take forever. Well, not just me, but I'm sure there are a lot of people who have these unused gift cards, membership cards and expired debit credit cards lying around with them, taking a lot of space in your wallet. So I was thinking, why add to the plastic waste and why not do something cool out of it? Well, here goes my hashtag plastic card jugaad. We use cards to buy smartphones and now we'll use expired cards to hold them. For this you will need 2 plastic cards, a pair of scissors, a marker pen and a scale. Take the first card and draw a line as shown on the screen. And cut the card along the line. We will need 2 such pieces of the exact size. Place the cards the way you see on the screen right now and next, draw small lines exactly like you see in the image. Let us also label these lines as A, B, C and D. Cut along the marked lines, making sure that you start cutting from the point where the line is touching the edge of the card. Be careful not to cut beyond the marked portions. Now we come to the second card and cut it into 2 equal halves. Once that's done, we just need to lock the 2 card pieces by sliding D into B. Take 1 half and draw 2 parallel lines on it. These lines need to be broad enough to fit into the grooves A and C. So measure the distance before you start marking and cutting. This is how you will place it in the grooves A and C. And there you go! Your cool smartphone stand is ready! A plastic card can be turned into a cool keychain. For this you will need a plastic card, a marker, a puncher, a few small loops, 1 big keychain loop, a cutter, a plier and a pair of scissors. To start with, I will make a bird shape on the card, but you can choose your own. Also, be very careful that you need to put least pressure while cutting the card or else it might just break. I'm just going to give it an outline with the marker. Now to attach the loops, let's make a hole with the puncher. Take the smaller loops and lock them into one another to make a chain. At last, attach the keychain loop. And there you go! Your plastic card keychain is ready! Organize your earphones with the help of plastic cards. For this you will need a plastic card, a scale, a puncher, a marker and a pair of scissors. Put the card vertically in front of you and mark the lines as shown in the image. And cut the card along the lines. Next, mark 2 points at the upper end and 1 point at the lower end. The point at the lower end should lie at the center of the 2 points above. Now we need to punch at the points made on the card. You will need to make multiple punches on the points at the upper end so that the holes are slightly bigger. A single punch at the point below will be sufficient enough. For the wires to slide easily, we now need to make a few slits. Mark the lines as shown in the image. 2 besides the upper holes and 1 under the hole below. And this is how you can easily coil your earphones on this organizer. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's episode and do drop in your comments and tell me what would you like to do with your expired debit credit cards and gift cards. You can also subscribe to my channel #Jugaad. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. The links are right below. This is Monica with #Jugaad. Share it, like it if you love it. Bye-bye.